backend development is one of those fields where there's many different valid paths and ways to do backend development. Now here, just to narrow the scope a bit, I'm talking specifically about backend web development, but you could be a backend developer working on, for example, internal tools. It doesn't just need to be web development, but that is one of the more popular categories. First thing you need to do if you want to become a backend developer is identify what language you want to primarily write code in. Now there's a lot of different options here, and you might just want to pick the one that you're most comfortable with if you've already learned one. So we have Node.js or JavaScript, right? So if you're writing code in JavaScript for backend, you're typically going to be working with Node and something like the Express framework. Then we have Python. This is personally what I use. And then you're going to be working with something like Django or Flask or Fast API. And then we have Ruby. Obviously, you'll be working with something like Rails. Then we have Java. This is a very popular option because a lot of more legacy code bases are written in Java and they need people to maintain that. Then we have .NET. So we're talking about things like C#, ASP.NET. We have Go, obviously, a more modern language, personally one of my favorites other than Python. And then of course we have all kinds of other languages, Rust, C++, etc. But the 6 that I listed are some of the more popular ones when it comes to backend web development.